am Nikita H. Welcome to Code to Create channel. Before getting into the video, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Please do watch the video till the end, and if you liked it, please like it and share it with your friends. Friends, if you have any comments, please do comment below in the box. Let's go for it. So in this video, what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a chart for a shop. Think like it's a big mart. We'll have to create a shop. So let's see what is that thing. It's saying that Big Mart is one of the biggest retailer of Europe and has operation across multiple countries. You're a data analyst in IT team of Big Mart. So basically you're a data analyst in IT team of the Big Mart. An invoice and SKU, wise sales data for year 2011 is shared with you. So you have the invoice and SKU of the sales data for the year 2011. You need to prepare a meaningful you need to prepare meaningful charts to showcase variable sales trend. So basically you have to show the various sales trend that you have to do. Like suppose you have the dresses, then you have to show the dresses ones like that. So let's begin. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna import matplotlib. So let's do that, matplotlib. And then I'm going to import numpy as np. So I'm saying import numpy as np. Yeah. And then let's come down. Here we are going to prepare the data. So I'm saying x is equal to np dot linspace. It's just the space of the data. And then I'm saying 0, 10, 100. These are just numbers, like the data numbers. And then let's come down, and then here we are plotting the data. Here we are plotting the data, so we'll say plt.plot. This command is used to plot the data, and then we are putting out the parentheses saying x, the label is equal to linear. It's just going to be straight. That's all it means. Okay, undefined plt. Okay, let's just come down and then say plt.legend. It's just like reading stuff. You just add out the legend over there, and then I'm saying plt.show. That's all. Define name plt. Okay. So we forgot one thing. Here we are saying we are just importing matplotlib, but we are not saying as what and what are we, like what specially are we going to import. So I'm saying dot pyplot. So this says as Python plot as plt. Now this error goes away, you see. Okay, it's saying undefined syntax. There's nothing wrong over here according to me. Yeah, you saw the error is gone now. So that's all it is. We basically import the matplotlib as plt. We're just importing the plot over here, nothing more. So let's just write down, like for our confirmation, let's write down what exactly is this. So let me put the hash symbol and then say prepare. So here in this line, basically we're going to prepare the data. So I'm saying prepare the data, that's all. For our confirmation and like for our relief that we know, I mean like we should know that what we are doing. So over here we are basically plotting the data. So I'm saying plot the data. And here we are adding the legend. So I'm saying add a legend. Come here, and then here we are going to show the plot. So basically over here the plot means the like the high stuff, the trending thing. Here we are just saying the space for the plot, and here we are setting the text as linear. We are basically plotting the data over here, and we are preparing the data over here. We prepare the data over here, and we are We are giving the plotting the data, and here we add out the legend. Here we show the plot. We are printing out the plot basically. Let's run it. It won't run over here because you don't have any data over here. You didn't enter. You will have to go to Excel, and just like this, you just think this is an example. Just like this, you have to create a new Excel and put it out over here. So here basically I've named it as linear, but you can name it as anything and then put it over here, and then it shows you the data. That's all. Let's save it up first. Yeah, I'm saying plot the data. Yeah, so yeah, this is it for here. Basically we're just going to know what's matplotlib and the numpy. That's all. There's nothing much big game over here. We're just showing the trending stuff. That's all. So yeah, now we know how to plot the data and what is matplotlib, like how do you use it and how do you use numpy. That's great.
Thank you, friends. Bye bye.